Okay, so we have another one, this type of building. So let's fix this together. So again, this will be another extension. Okay, so let's always start with the highest uh, part or the highest portion of the building of your drawing. So the wall. So, so I think this needs to align, okay, with this area here. So because we are going to connect, uh, this might be a difficult task. So let's check for other views. Hmm, let's use this one. Okay, and let's capture uh, our ridge. So go on to matching, draw our panels like so. Okay, next. So for this area, let's try to drag if we can match. Okay, so we have one panel, so this should be one panel only. So after this, we will use our assist line to draw this remaining panels right there. So all I did was to connect on this area. We can okay, so we need an assist line again here. Like so we can just use the assist line as a temporary base. Okay. Okay, like so. So let's try to capture. Also, no. So let's redo our assist line, guys. Hmm. So just insert this panel right here, and we can just use the autofix function later. And for this part, same procedure, guys. Let's add an assist line like so. Like so. Let's check other views. Hmm. So we change views. Wait. Need to redraw. How come we can't match? Let's try this one. Okay. And for this one, let's drag. Okay. And we can draw, we can try to draw our base now. So, oh, so that's why. So that is why we were having a hard time because um, this one, this area here is a bit smaller compared to this one. Um, so no problem, we can just use the cut tool and, oh, wrong. So again, P, cut this area out, adjust. Mm, mm. Mm, okay. So group, let's close this first, and then use it to group. Let's group this and use the autofix. Okay. I need to close all panels first. So, building this one. So let's group, use, we need to copy the, um, yun. Use 4. For this area right here, wait, I think I know. So it should look like this. Let's try. Okay. So I think it should look like this. But um, okay, so see, uh, yeah, should look like this. Insert, use the auto fix, the shift Y to fix the. Okay, and let's try to use what do you call auto fix. So all we have to do is to fix this area here, right here, this one, and this small extension right here. So uh, like so, or we can just use. Sorry, should have used the H. Sorry, hold Alt to adjust. So if you can't match it properly, then try to fix your drawing on the left panel. Like so, and yeah. Next is this part right here. Yes, so I think let's check other views. And let's do some minor adjustments. So for this one, I think we can just use M, okay, to adjust. Uh, some minor adjustments, like so. And for this one, we can use the uh, assist line method, like so. And we can draw our base. So for the base, uh, we can just S tool, like that, like so. Drag. Okay, so when you can't drag the wall, I suggest you remove the wall first. Remove one panel. Press J to remove so that you have access on the panel below. Drag and then group 4. Press J and copy the main base of the building. Select and then press 6. Okay, so as you can see, we have uniform layers. So delete extra panels, group, and then use F4. So like this. And lastly, we will draw our What do I call this one? Secondary independent. Sorry, guys. I keep forgetting. Secondary independent. So let's check for other views. This one. And let's try to use this one. Again, when drawing your extensions, when drawing your bottom extension, make sure you are not snapped with other with any part of the building. Okay? So let's capture it like so. Change it to independent because I'm seeing pillars below. Group. Okay. So this is the hopefully this can be fixed. Yes. Okay. So we are done. So our end result should look like this. And all we need to do is to just add the corners. Final result would look like this. And 3D mode, it should look like this, guys. Okay. So yeah. Don't forget to utilize the use of utilize your assist line. Okay. So thanks.